You're bootstrapped, you're spending your own money, and you're moving fast. And that's exactly why your IP is at risk. And it's not because someone's out to get you. It's because bootstrap companies make the same 4 mistakes. Contractors, the open source rights of others, sloppy ownership, and zero protection plan. If you wait until you're raising money or negotiating a sale, you'll fix this under pressure and it'll cost you 10 times more. I'm Rich Goldstein. I help tech founders protect what they've built and turn IP into leverage. If you're self-funded and building real software, this is the IP checklist that you actually need. The bootstrapped IP reality. You don't need a giant portfolio. You need precision IP, clean ownership, and smart control. Your goal is simple. Own it, protect it, and protect easy cloning. IP protection is a system that evolves over time, not just a one-time filing and checking a box. The self-funded founder IP blueprint. Ownership. Make sure the company owns everything. You want to make sure that a co-founder, ex-employee, or contractor can't make claim over your company's IP. Do this. Have invention assignment agreements for anyone touching the product development. Have contractor agreements with a strong IP assignment clause, not just work for hire. Confirm with your co-founders or joint venturers who owns what, and do it in writing now. Keep solid dated documents of this in an ownership folder. Contractors, the #1 bootstrapped IP leak. The risk is that when contractors build core features, you might not actually own the rights to the patents. Do this. Have IP assignments, deliverables, and repo rules set. Get everything delivered to your controlled repos or accounts. Have an end of contract confirmation that all IP has been assigned and access has been removed to any secret information of yours. Complete a contractor closeout checklist to document this. Open source. Don't step on a landmine. Have a simple OSS policy, including approved licenses and a no-go list. Run a scan before every major release. Document your decisions, what you used, why, and what licenses are needed. Ultimately, when your product uses other people's technology and there isn't clear rights to use it, that can hurt your company valuation and create issues later. Trade secrets. Protect what you don't patent. The risk is that you have secret information that's important to your business, but you treat it casually and it becomes unenforceable. You need to limit access to secret information and have it be on a need-to-know basis. Have NDAs for all contractors and venture partners, and carefully document what is a trade secret for your business and how it's handled. If it's secret, you need to act like it to maintain the propriety of your trade secret. Brand. Clear trademark rights prevent costly rebrands. The risk here is that you build momentum and then you discover that someone else has the trademark rights to the name. It's far better to do a trademark search before you start, or at least before you scale. File your trademark application as soon as possible, and then file additional classes or additional marks as you scale. What makes sense for self-funded founders? You want to cut out the fluff. You want to get past the notion that filing a patent is everything, because sometimes it's not, and sometimes filing a strategic application is what makes the most sense. And sometimes a patent won't even be possible. So as a bootstrapped founder, it's important to know not to put your money and your attention on a patent filing in such cases. You should use patents when the innovation is core and defensible, when competitors can otherwise easily copy the thing that matters, when you could describe the unique mechanism of it clearly, when it gives you leverage to support licensing or category control. Don't rush patents when you're still pivoting weekly, when the moat that's possible is just speed and execution, and when the innovation itself isn't stable yet. Answer these right now. If any are a no, fix them first. Do you have signed IP assignments for every contractor? Does your company own the repos, domains, and core accounts? Can you list all contractors that touch code or product development and show assignments? Do you have an OSS policy and scan habit? Do you know what's a trade secret in your business and who has access to it? Have you checked out your brand name exposure? If you're self-funded, you don't need expensive legal theater. You need a smart protection plan that keeps ownership clean and makes you harder to copy. Click below to book an IP protection and patent strategy session. It'll help you identify the highest risk gaps and map out the patent approach if patents make sense for your product. And if you need patents, strategy, drafting, filing, or strengthening an existing portfolio, my team and I can handle your patent drafting needs from end to end.